MBA Crash Course on Project Management and Agile Methodologies. Introduction. Project management is the practice of planning, organizing, and executing projects to achieve specific goals within defined constraints such as time, budget, and resources. Agile methodologies, on the other hand, are a set of iterative and flexible approaches that emphasize collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Together, they provide a framework for effectively managing projects in today's dynamic business environment. Importance of project management and agile methodologies. Project management ensures that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. It involves defining project objectives, creating a project plan, allocating resources, monitoring progress, and managing risks. Agile methodologies, on the other hand, promote flexibility and responsiveness, allowing teams to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value incrementally. Examples and stories. Building construction. A construction project to build a skyscraper requires meticulous project management to coordinate various activities such as design, procurement, construction, and quality assurance. Agile methodologies can be used to address changes in design and evolving customer needs during the project execution. Software development. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban are widely used in software development projects. These methodologies enable iterative development, continuous feedback, and collaborative teamwork to deliver software products that meet customer expectations. Product launch. When launching a new product, project management ensures that all activities, such as market research, product design, manufacturing, marketing, and distribution, are well coordinated. Agile methodologies can help address market changes, customer feedback, and evolving market trends during the product development process. Event management. Organizing a large-scale event requires effective project management to manage logistics, vendors, timelines, and stakeholder expectations. Agile methodologies can be utilized to adapt to changing event requirements and ensure a successful outcome. Top 12 Project Management and Agile Methodologies. 1 Waterfall Methodology. 2 Scrum. 3 Kanban. 4 Lean Project Management. 5 Six Sigma. 6 Prince 2. 7 Critical Path Method, CPM. 8 Agile Project Management. 9 Rapid Application Development, RAD. 10 Extreme Programming, XP. 11 Feature-Driven Development, FDD. 12 Adaptive Project Framework, APF. Summary. Project management and agile methodologies are vital for successful project execution and achieving desired outcomes. Project management provides a structured approach to planning, executing, and controlling projects, while agile methodologies enable flexibility, collaboration, and iterative development. By combining these practices, businesses can effectively manage projects, adapt to changing requirements, and deliver value to stakeholders. Poem. In the realm of projects, where goals reside, project management and agile collide. A symphony of plans and teams so vast. Efficiency and adaptability cast. Project management, a structured approach. Guiding the ship with careful reproach. From initiation to closing the door. A framework for success, we implore. Gantt charts and milestones, a roadmap clear. Tasks and timelines, we closely adhere. Scope, budget, and resources in sight. Monitoring progress, ensuring things are right. But in a world of change, where needs evolve, agile methodologies come to revolve. Scrum, Kanban, and iterations embrace. Adapting to shifts, finding their place. In agile, collaboration takes the stage. Cross-functional teams, unleashed with rage. User stories and sprints, a rhythm so fine. Delivering value, one piece at a time. From software development to product design. Agile fuels innovation, a paradigm to align. Feedback loops and customer engagement. Continuous improvement is the agent. The waterfall may flow with grace. but Agile dances, finding its space. Lean principles guide efficiency's spree. Six Sigma ensures quality's decree. Prince2 and CPM, methods so bold. Ensuring projects run as they were told. Agile project management, flexible and free. Adapting to change with unwavering glee. Rapid application development, quick and swift. Extreme programming, a dynamic shift. Feature-driven development, features to aspire. Adaptive project framework, responsiveness higher. With these methodologies, we conquer the maze. Navigating projects with skill and gaze. Project management and Agile, hand in hand. Delivering success, across the land. Though a poem captures only a glimpse of the vast world of projects, with a joyful wisp. May these words inspire and ignite a passion for excellence, shining bright. As for a song, it requires a melody and composition, which is beyond the capabilities of this text-based platform. However, I hope the poem brings a touch of creativity and enthusiasm to the world of project management and Agile methodologies. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of projects, where dreams take flight, we embrace the challenges, with all our might. Project management and Agile unite as one, guiding us through the journey, until it's done. Chorus. Oh, project management, the captain at the helm, leading us to success, with a steady realm. Agile by our side, adapting with grace. Together we conquer, at a rapid pace. Verse 2. From initiation to closure, we plan and strategize. Defining objectives, with clear vision in our eyes. Gantt charts and milestones, keeping us on track. Monitoring progress, we never look back. Chorus. Oh, project management, the captain at the helm, leading us to success, with a steady realm. Agile by our side, adapting with grace. Together we conquer, at a rapid pace. Bridge. Scrum, Kanban, and iterations we embrace. Collaboration and feedback, fueling the chase. User stories and sprints, a rhythm so fine. Delivering value, with every single line. Chorus. Oh, project management, the captain at the helm, leading us to success, with a steady realm. Agile by our side, adapting with grace. Together we conquer, at a rapid pace. Verse 3. Lean principles guide us, eliminating waste. Six Sigma ensures quality, never to be misplaced. Prince2 and CPM, methods tried and true. Agile project management, always breaking through. Chorus. Oh, project management, the captain at the helm, leading us to success, with a steady realm. Agile by our side, adapting with grace. Together we conquer, at a rapid pace. Outro? With passion and dedication, we strive to excel. In the world of projects, where stories we tell. Project management and Agile, a dynamic duo. Bringing innovation and success, wherever we go. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.